Haunted Niagara, good view of that giant burger over at the House of Frankenstein. Though I hear this is the least scary attraction.
This is not for the weak of heart. Does anyone dare walk?
We're going to the more scary one though.
Scared? Yeah. You will be. In fact, you'll be terrified. This is the House of Frankenstein. Beware! As you climb the 1300 stairs.
Frankie, button your trap before I bolt it shut. Well, welcome, ladies and gents, to the House of Frankenstein. I was just about to begin my next experiment. Oh, now, Frankie, let's be level-headed about this. Oh, yes, you're right. Listen, Sparky, this could possibly be your last experiment for a while if you keep your mouth shut. That's right. Looks like some of these brave souls are up to the challenge of the journey of terror here at the House of Frankenstein.
Only the strong of heart dare enter. Mind you, some of the characters you'll meet also enjoy eating weak hearts. Two of them would be more than happy to have you for dinner.
Vlad the Impaler. Saddam Hussein? Oh, that's definitely scary. There's a dungeon in here. Look at this. This chandelier skull. It's a skull chandelier. I say chandelier of skulls, but skull chandelier. Got a very good work in here. Alright, so now we're gonna go non-scary to scarier. This is Dracula's haunted castle. Look at this. I'm gonna go into the mouth of hell. There are live actors. Oh, I think I'm gonna enter. And you're coming with me, guys. You're coming with me. This is the one. Thrilling, exciting, spine-tingling, unforgettable. All right. Ooh, I'm already getting the heebie-jeebies. Has there already been that many chickens today? I'm a human, not a chicken. Though there's nothing human going down in this establishment. Chimes. Skull chimes. All right. Ready for some thrilling, exciting, spine-tingling, unforgettable adventure? It's time to enter Dracula's haunted castle. For your enjoyment, you select your level of fear. There's 3 levels. Daring for families and weak-hearted. Crazy for the brave. Or number 3, hardcore for the insane. I'm going insane. I'm going with hardcore. All right. We'll notice darkness because I'm in darkness, and there's going to be a lot of people interacting with me, I guess. Oh, jeez. Now they know I'm here.
Dracula. Join us if you could. Watch your step. Behind each turn, a world, each hurdle, notice a new alienated creature. The world's most renowned and horrifying monsters are gathered behind these walls. Will you be brave enough to journey?
I don't know where I'm supposed to walk.
These are but a few of the events.
You agree.
A few of the chills will await you in Castle Dracula.
me some scares in the darkness. You're in the darkness with me. So pitch black. Yeah! Jesus Christ! Oh, I can't see where to go in here. God, reach Jason here and Freddy. No idea where the fuck I am. Can't see nothing. What am I doing? Oh my God. Let me know where to go. I can't see anything. Yeah. Oh my God. Hold on. Am I going the right way? Jesus! Ah! Dracula right there. Oh God. Yeah! Ah! Which way do I go? I can't see nothing in here. Oh, you can help me, sir. Sir, help me. I don't know where to go. Seriously. Well, thank you for the advice, sir. Oh God! See these demons down here. Right? Copyright music. Never been anywhere so dark and scary. You really gotta watch your step because you can see these. It wouldn't be intelligent to scare somebody on steps because they could fall and actually lose their life on these stairs. Some of the guy back there just grabbed me. That was pretty good. That was good. House of Dracula. I enjoyed it. Thank you. Look at that. It's cool prop work. The Nightmare Factory right here. Scariest one in town. We're gonna do this before people tune out of the video. There'll be more after this, but here we go. We're entering the Nightmare Factory. You ready for the challenge, sir? Yeah, we're ready.
Not thrilled about it.
Not thrilled about it. Well, they're gonna thrill you. Let me see if I get these Reaper's eyes here. It's hard to pick up the orange on camera. Okay, let's go. Nightmare Factory, baby. As we enter, there's a coffin right away. We haven't even paid admission yet, so. Here we go. You're with us. It's gonna be a good one. So we'll pay admission and we'll bring you on in. Let's hit it. We're ready, Ryan. Here we go. Darkness. Oh. Okay, into the darkness. Whoa. Maybe a couple F-bombs in here. Completely black. You're wondering why you see black, because that's all we see. You have to be grabbed here, I think. Oh. Ah! I think I'm deaf now.
God damn it, man. I was just hoping it wasn't gonna like squirt air at me again right here.
Oh, man. Oh, unsteady terrain. Oh, boy. You can't see it, but we feel it. We're on very unlevel land. And everyone knows we're coming. Don't get scared, Ryan. I got you. Oh, jeez. That's a wall. That's a wall. We are in infinite darkness. Jesus Christ. There's something hanging here. Oh, God. Ah. Damn you, compressed air. Okay, I'm following very faint blips. See these blips of red light? That's all we have to
There's
see.
something behind me, man.
We have to crawl? We have to crawl?
Dude.
No!
Fucking.
Come on now. Can I get up now? We were crawling here. First to crawl. Someone tell us where to go.
Five. Go.
It's very dark in here. This is one of the only lit rooms. Okay, I'm gonna lead us. So when you see darkness, because that's what we're in, infinite darkness.
No, it's over.
We're letting them know. No, to the left. Here we go, heading into the dark. Coming with us.
Good God, man.
I feel like I'm gonna lose a damn hand in here, feeling around.
They just want you to like feel comfortable for a sec, just so they can fuck with you again. Dude,
Oh, now we're in infinite darkness.
Yo, there's fucking shit coming up behind me. Like,
Probably.
fuck, dude.
How do we get out of here, ghoul?
I,
We had a dead end?
dude.
Alright. We'll get out, we'll get out.
Oh, there's some sort of thing here.
Can we go under this?
Got me right on edge.
What is this, sensor? Oh! Good lord!
There's gonna be another one right here, I know.
Oh, it's alien! It's Hannibal Lecter approaching us. Look at that, you got Slash here. More light. Very dark in there. But it was cool. It's cool, we survived.
I think it's controversial, but right
I
now.
lost a pirate.
Oh, cool. And there's
I like that it's
a
like
photo of us right there.
yeah, and everybody has those Guns N'
Jesus.
Roses shirts right now, so
And there's another photo of us
I have on like 10.
right up there. Enter the haunted house. You're coming with me. This will be the first house I'm doing here in Niagara. Haunted house. Right here. You ready? Come along with me. Oh, look at that skelly up there. All right, let's hit it. You answering the phones today? The bell ringer over here. Oh, I got the fortitude. The haunted house? Okay, alright, I'm down. Look at those skulls. Let's do it. Entering the haunted house now. You're with me. Give you the whole experience. Seeing what I'm seeing, very dark. Do I give my ticket to you? Oh, that face over there. You're here with me in the darkness. I'll take a free play. This is free play here. Whoa! That was cool. Ah. Compressed air. Don't have that much compressed air. Will these monsters social distance? See, keep me safe, my audience. You're with me. When it's dark, it's because I'm in complete darkness. What was that? See, beheaded. Oh my goodness. What is that? Chicken exit. They got chickens in here? Okay. Oh! It's a cackler. Push if you dare. Push what? Something gonna come off my head? It's ghost face. There's ghost faces everywhere. My goodness. Deep in the dungeon. They did to this poor guy. They impaled him with these spikes. Pit of death. Oh my god. I got this. Ah! Oh god! This thing's moving beneath me. Look at that. Look at that freaking person up there. Gotta get out of here. This doesn't happen to me. See a casket down here. Here. These are all around me. My god.
Help me! Help me!
I'm not opening it, sir. Can't do it. You're gonna be stuck in here. I'm sorry. Oh my god. It's rather horrifying in this darkness. Oh god. Ah! 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 Another chicken exit? My goodness. Lots of gruesome stuff. Oh! 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 Oh no! Oh man! It's moving all around me. Unsteady. Unsteady. Oh my god, there's a set of nails. Oh god! Oh god! Holy crap. What's this bed of nails for? I'm so sorry this happened to you, sir. Moving on. Moving on. I don't know if I want to. Oh god. Oh! Good lord. How have you been in here? Oh! Jeez. Holy crap. My god, let me see. Oh, jeez. Oh god. Ah! Oh my god. It's like Stranger Things. Oh my god. Moving along now with only this red light. Oh jeez. Good night, sir. Rest easy. Wow. Friggin' locked me in here. I locked all the doors. I was the last one through the haunted house tonight. I'm locked in here to find my way out through the jungle jam. It's crazy. It's raining inside. Friggin' alarm's gonna sound. They locked me in here. They closed the place. I'm out. Whew. That was fun. And we'll see you next time from right here in Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada. Like and subscribe.